All right. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the reflection, that is a subtopic of transformation. So there are few cases of reflection in which we are going to discuss the first one. And the first case is that in which object is known. We have the object, right? And secondly, the line of reflection is also known. And we need to find out the image or the final shape. So that is unknown. All right, so that is the first case. Object is known, line of reflection is known, and image is known. Now how we are going to reflect any shape or any point? Let's take an example first. Let's suppose you have a point 5 comma 3. All right, and we label this point A and the coordinates are 5 comma 3. Now we need to reflect the point 5 comma 3 with the line of x equals to 3. So first thing what we need to do, we need to draw the line x equals to 3 on your graph. So that is a line x is equals to 3. Alright. Now we need to reflect the point A with this line x equals to 3. Now we need to see the distance from the line of reflection to the point. Alright. Here the value of x is 3. Here the value of x is 5. That means the difference between these two is 2 units. Alright. 5 minus 3, it's 2 units. If this distance is 2 units, then this distance should also be 2 units. Alright. So here distance should also be 2 units as well. So line of reflection is such a line that divides the shape in exactly 2 equal parts. Alright. So if this distance is 2 units, then this distance will also be 2 units. Right now, currently, the value of x is 3. If you move 2 steps on the left side, that means 2 steps should be minus from this value 3. So 3 minus 2 leads to the value of 1, and the y coordinate it will be same. So the final answer it will be 1 comma 3. So I can say that that is a point A dash after the reflection of the line x is equals to 3. Alright, let's take one more example. The same point A, but now we need to reflect the point across the x-axis. So I'm just highlighting the line x-axis, so that is a line of reflection. Alright, so I need to reflect the point A with this line x-axis. So this point after reflection will be on this side of the graph. Alright, now we need to highlight the distance. So if you focus that what should be the value of this distance. Alright, so the value of y is 3 units. If this value is 3 units, that means after reflection it will be 3 units as well. Alright, since we are moving in the y coordinate, that means no change in x. So the point A dash after reflection it will be 5, and the y value it will be minus 3. Now there are 4 basic cases that you will observe in your past papers, and the first is when it is reflection across the x-axis. Alright, so whenever there is a reflection across the x-axis, so the point x comma y will be swept onto x comma minus y. Right, the same thing we have applied on that coordinate a 5 comma 3. If I applied the same trick a 5 comma 3, so the x coordinate remains same, but the y coordinate changes its sign, so that is the value. Similarly, if we are going to find out the reflection in y-axis, right, so the general working formula is what it says, that xy will be swept onto minus x comma y. Let's take an example here. All right, let's suppose we have a point, the coordinates are 1 and minus 4. All right, the coordinates are 1 and minus 4. 1 and minus 4. When we apply the principle here, so that will leads to x will be same, but it will change the sign. So 1 will be swept onto minus 1 and y remains same, so that will be minus 4. So the point after reflection of this one, right, this point after reflection across y-axis it will be lies here minus 1 comma minus 4, so that is the value. After that, in the third case, when you have a line y equal to x, xy sweeps onto y and x. Now where is the line y equals to x? Y equals to x passes through the origin in this direction, right? So that is the line of y equals to x. Whenever you have a reflection across this line, so xy sweeps onto y and x. Let's take an example of the point A. A having the coordinates of 5 comma 3 as you can see on your graph. So 5 comma 3 after reflection it will be 3 comma 5. Similarly for y equals to minus x, the line of y equals to minus x passes through the origin but with negative gradient. Alright, so that is a line of y equals to minus x. Whenever you have this line, so the coordinates of x, y after reflection it will be minus y comma minus x. The same example we apply on the point A, 5 comma 3. So 5 comma 3 after reflection it will be minus 3 and minus 5.